break down our current £5 candy scoop. Laffy Taffy, Fruit Pops, Fruit Caramels, Fruit Roll-Ups, Toxic Waste Nuclear Fusion, Sour Patch Kids, Bubblegum Zoom Lollies, Fruit Sherbets, Liquid Fill Colour Bottles, Liquid Fill Camel Balls, Burger Gums, Tennis Balls, Missile Explosions, Pencil Jellies, Airheads Chew Bars, Toxic Waste and One Bars, Blackjacks, Fruit Salads, Tongue Painter Lollies, Juicy Drop Blasts, White Mice, Bubbly Bubblegum, Double Bubble, Gold Coins, Now and Later Chews, Vimto Lollies, Toxic Waste Smog Balls, and a sprinkle of Warheads Extreme Sours.